G'day everybody, welcome back to Le'Rez Studio. Just doing a little project over here, and I've got some resin left over, so I wanted to use it up because I have to wait for this to set a little bit. So while I'm doing that, I might just do something interesting over here. So I've got a little bit of purple rain, and I've got some white. I've got a little bit of black here which I won't use because it's only like 2 drops. But I wanted to add a little bit of something different in here just to make it a little, maybe I'll add some gold actually. Some, or even silver would be nice, but maybe gold. Okay, so I've got some molten gold. What I will do, I'm going to add a little bit more of that, make some more purple rain. Actually, maybe not, I might not. It's not going to cover the whole thing, okay? It's just an experiment. What I did here, let me just tell you what I did. Oh, that's going to be a lot of gold. I don't think I need that much gold. You can go all the way in there and leave some always for Ron. What I did here was, I've just got a water bottle, which I have, excuse me for a second, looking for a stick. I've cut the, obviously you can see what I did, and then I just sprayed some adhesive on the bottom of it to make it sit there for the time being. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like a dirty pour, but I didn't want it to move on me. I want it to stay there about 5 to 10%, which is about that much, and then go for it. Let's see what we get. I've never done this before. I did a similar thing in acrylic painting, but not with resin, that's for sure. And I've got some purple rain, which is quite transparent now because I have hang on, let me just find a clean stick. I know, but don't worry, that's just resin, they're clean. Put a little bit more in there. That's what I need, a bit more. Now it's definitely not clean anymore, just to make it not so transparent. It's still transparent, but not as much. Okay, and I've got my white. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to dump them in there. You're going to start with the white a little bit, just a little bit at the bottom. It's not going to be a lot, like I said, it's not going to cover the whole thing. Then gold. Maybe I'll go down here because I don't want to, I'm going around that rim just to let that gold fall nicely over the white and not, you know, just go straight over it. And I'm doing the same thing, just around the rim first, so it, and if you can see that, I'm going to try and zoom it in. And that gold, see that? It's going, oh, God, I forgot about what I was doing. I just start looking at things and yeah, let's go again. So it's kind of gone up a bit, so we're just going to go around again just so it's not falling all the way through. Just want it sitting on top like that. Quite a bit of that gold in there, and then some more white, which I might just plonk in the middle, just a little stream. But if you could just see that, okay, white's quite heavy, but it's also dense, so it might just, you know, sit there until it gets sucked in. We'll see. And I might even just put a little bit around, just around like that. I don't know what you would call this technique. The ring in the cup technique. And again, I just put a little bit in the middle and then just go around. Bit hard to go all the way around now and not tip over. So I'm going to put the whole thing in now. Okay, make sure that I get all of it out. like that, because I don't have a lot and I don't want to waste any. That's good. Now, might do the white on top again, or I might just do the white now. White not. Why not? Just going to go around like this. If you lean in a little bit, you'll be able to see how cool that looks. But I can't leave you there. I have to put you back down. Now, get my... Now this white is a little bit on a transparent, well, it's actually quite opaque, but I mixed it quite transparent. It's much, much denser than this. Okay, and it goes, and now my gold, which is an absolute treasure. And I'm going to go around the same sort of thing, and then get all of it out. It's going to be interesting which way it pulls and what it does. So if I had the whole cup, would have been really cool. I meant this whole cup full, or bottle rather. Okay, so that is that. Now I'm just going to go around with a little bit of this clear, because I only have literally a little bit. I might have to go a bit lower down here, just to help it move a bit, and then I might have to work around it after. Normally you wouldn't do it this way. It's only because I just had a little bit and I've got this thing on my mind that I wanted to try, and that's why. Normally, well, the idea was to fill the cup up and to cover the whole piece, you see, but didn't turn out that way. And I will use my fingers and just go around the bottle here. See, it's not going anywhere because it's glued on there, and the resin is starting to set a little bit as well, but it will still help the movement. You just never know. I love working with hard resin or semi-set resin. I think it's marvelous. Oh my god, in there, have a look. Some gorgeousness in that cup right there. Now let's see if it'll pop off. This is going to be the test. What I might do is I might just spray some... Oh, why don't I just try this? I don't know what's going to happen. I don't want to wreck it. This is just glue. Spray adhesive. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's squirting sideways. God, get in there. Okay, spray adhesive. This is oil based, so it is enamel. Let's go. Look at that. Ooh. How interesting. Wow, and look at that. If you can see it there, that's that spray enamel glue. Spray glue. Just getting every little bit out of there. And I wish I didn't spray that stuff now, because it's done something crazy over here now. There's more coming down. I'm just going to leave it over here. Let it sip, or seep rather. Now let's just fix that a little bit. That is really interesting. Really cool. Okay, and I do have a tiny little bit of this black. I might just pop that right in the middle. Or maybe that's too much. Just there. And might just put some on the edge. Black always gives it a nice contrast. So I could even leave that like that and just let it create like a flower or something, and then paint a design behind it. But you know me, I can't leave things alone, so I'm gonna have to do something, that's for sure. But I will bring you down for a second just so you can see. Alrighty, here it is. This is without any torching or anything. And I wish I didn't put that spray adhesive on there, just that little squirt, because I don't know if that's what created this now. That is so bloody interesting, isn't it? Look at that. That is amazing. Absolutely smashingly amazing. Look at that. Look at those 3D cells, especially that middle one there with that gold in the middle of it. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Golly. Oh my goodness. Jeez, what have I done? Look at that. Wowza. I have to do one of these now without that spray, because I don't know if that's what's created this. Look at this. Looks a bit like a violet. You know, the flower? Oh, definitely down here as well. Huh. So I've actually done more to this piece and I completely changed it, but that's going to be another video. I just wanted to show you the effects that I got, and I'm pretty sure it has something to do with that spray adhesive. So stay tuned for another